Rangbah ka jylla kunrat kisang ma nek sngi ulo play pajba ya kawi ka karkhana kaban nyngkong tam ha ka jylla kaban penmi dawai sport kani ka karkhana ka don ha ka shnong Kyiem Mawphlang ka thong jung kani ka karkhana ka long ban kanti wa ka rep klem dawai ni ka organic bat langba kani ka jaka penmi dawai sport kinla ban pendap ya ka jingdon kam jong kinong ram Habakren hakani kesngi Myntri Rangbah ulaong bakani ke karkhana penmi dawai sbo kan hirap yak sorkar ban sedang ban kentiu yak orkom rep klem da pendon kam dawai hanrai tang na kasbo ulaong bakathong ka bagi don kalong ban penslur kinong rep ban rep klem dawai bat lang bakani ke jaka sains bo kinla ban sedang ya ka ba kitmu kumbalong manja ke jing dawa ha ka jylla ban penbiang ya kasbo kalong kumba arpusan hajar metric tons
This place, I actually this is the area there for the booker, na? This is actually part of the whole. What to do? We will maintain the temperature inside the rotate number for the safety of the unit. Because losses cannot be now. The process is simple.
How is this technology different from the one in Nandipata? So that is a smaller boat.
So we are here in Kyiem village in Mawphlang East Khasi Hills area, and we are here to inaugurate the Bio Fertilizer plant here, and this will be one of the larger plants that we have in the state, and this is basically going in line with the state government's objective of going organic, and hence if we are not able to provide the organic fertilizers in enough supply at the right price at the right time, then obviously the entire purpose is defeated. And hence this biofertilizer plant is absolutely necessary. And as of now, we have a requirement of approximately 25,000 metric tons of biofertilizer in the state as a whole. And obviously the demand will grow as we move along, because we'll have more areas under organic farming that plans to be brought in. And hence this particular plant will to a large extent be able to cater to the need of especially the region, and even to a large extent the state as a whole. And I must congratulate the entire team that has been very instrumental in making this project a success, and we expect the production to start in about immediately, and by a month's time we should be able to start supplying the products, the biofertilizers, through the agriculture department, the IVCS, and the different farmers groups and the district agriculture officials. And hence this is a very big step towards going organic. And as I said, we will keep improving the technology, we will keep expanding it, and we are hopeful that with this particular plant we should be able to really push the mission organic in the state. And once again I congratulate the team, and I wish the team the very best.